5 everyday things you're doing wrong. There are things which you're doing every day that you've already made those as habits that they seem totally normal the way you're doing them. So many small actions every day that we almost never ask ourselves if there's a right or wrong way to do them. We think it would be a great idea to pay more attention to these things to make small but positive changes in your life. 1. Brushing your teeth with only horizontal brush movements. Brushing your teeth with horizontal movements only and forgetting to floss are probably the most common but most serious mistakes. Proper brushing of the teeth involves short vertical movements, always performed from the gums to the edge of the tooth. It doesn't mean, though, that brushing your teeth horizontally is not necessary at all. And one more thing, proper brushing should take 2 to 3 minutes, but unfortunately, the vast majority of us ignore this simple rule. 2. Drying your hands using paper towels. Have you ever wondered how much paper we use to dry our hands in public toilets? Millions of pounds. There is a simple thing we can all do if we care about our planet. Just shake your hands thoroughly before drying them with paper towels. It may be obvious, but it does help save the world. 3. Leaving a bag of chips open. Some people use clips to seal those half-eaten bags of chips, while others just leave them folded in half, hoping that the bag won't open. But here's another way to deal with those bags. This smart method was inspired by origami, a Japanese art and technique of folding paper to create different objects. 4. You hold your burger with one hand when you eat it. Here's the right way to do it. Your thumbs and pinkies belong on the bottom of the burger. The rest of the fingers stay on top. This way the toppings will never slip out again. 5. You simply put your straw into the can. Here's the right way to do it. Put the straw through the tab on the can and turn it so the straw is held in place. That way the carbonation won't keep constantly lifting the straw out of the can. Now, which everyday habit do you think you're doing wrongly? Let us know what you think in the comments section down below, and we'll pin our favorite to the top. Don't forget to give us a like if you enjoyed this video. We have a ton of more interesting videos